This is El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro. I don't know if you can see there, but this bird has been like loose the whole day. The whole day. It's like, I don't know, 5. I'm gonna feed them now. Supposedly they're going really fast. Hopefully you can see there. See? Yep. Here we go. Mom, mom, mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, mom, mom. Ta-da. Mom, mom. Now, I got one bird that I bought about 2 months ago. A black hen homing pigeon. Hasn't laid eggs at all. So I said, what the heck, I'm gonna let it go. I let it go. I figured she'll go back. She's still here. She's been flying all day with my bird. She just don't know how to, there she is. There she is, see? I hope she goes down. Because she has been trying to go down, but she hasn't. See her on top? Right there. Okay, let me close this. These guys are so hungry. Those two are primogenitos there. That one is primogenitos. Look at Vinny's bird over there. Vinny's bird got lost, man. Now he's going out, but he's smart. He's not flying really. At least I haven't seen him fly. Oh my gosh, I got little babies there. Eating too. Yep, look at these guys. That's Milagros. And that's Carbon. And that one I haven't named yet. Yeah, that's it. I don't want no more. All the babies that I get, they all for sale, man. But I got another guy who wants 100, so I can't be sending no. He already gave me a down payment on everything. So that's it. You know. Well, these birds had a lot of fun today, man. They had a lot of fun today. Look at that baby over there. He got beat up. There's more babies there. There's like 4 or 5 babies. Oh, there they come. There they come. There they come. See that? There they come. All of it. The ones with the two blue bands. There they go. There they go. See that? They're asking for food. Mama, feed me. Feed me. Yeah, these birds, man, they flew the whole day today. Not joking. The whole day. Who are you? I have no idea who you are. Oh, that's yeah, I don't know what do you name your bird? Swift. That's Swift, guys. Remember Swift? Oh, look. She came in. All right. This bird, she just got stuck today. I just stocked her today. She came down in the wrong coop, but that's okay. She flew a lot, man. This bird, this is a hen. It does not fit in your hand. That's how thick this bird is, man. You know. Up she goes in. I'm gonna lock her up. I hope she doesn't fly out. Yeah, let me lock her up. Yeah, man, that bird, he flew. I mean, she flew here, there, everywhere, and then finally, she started flying with the flock. I thought she was gonna go. She stayed. See, I put my band on her. You know, those big bands. I put my band on her just in case she got lost or something. So she's stuck. She's been flying since like 9 in the morning. Yeah, Aloma, what time is it? Ah, my wife went in. Yeah. All right, it's about 5 o'clock now. Maybe more. The whole day. 4:53. There you go. Didn't I say it's about 5? 4:53. She don't know how to go in. But at least she's in, man. Now this guy's gonna eat her, go feed the babies. These guys were two the whole day. All these guys. Look at these babies, they already come down. That one is the next for me to stock. That's a Jensen. These two, him and her, have a baby right here. Watch. That's their baby. Right there. That's a black diamond and a Jensen. Ezekiel's black diamond. And a Jensen. So, I don't know. I guess, hey, go back there, feed your baby. Go feed your baby. Go. Go. See this little baby right here? Watch. Look at his chest. Look at his chest, guys. Check out his chest. Isn't that weird? It's like white and it's got a black line. See that? Look. It's like white chest. It has a black line in the middle. It's weird. See that? Look at that. It's got like a black feather there and it's got like, I don't know. Like, yeah, that's the brother right there. So, that bird came in. She's been here 2 months. She hasn't laid eggs. So I let her go. And now she's in there. She's right there. I gotta grab her now and put it in there. All right, guys. Hey, love your pigeons. Take care of your pigeons. Spend time with your pigeons. I was eating something. Know your pigeons. And you have a blessed day.